Salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Muhammad Saad,
Yes, sir.
thank you for joining. Tell your friends to join also. Huh?
Yes, sir. I'm telling, sir.
You are disconnected, Saad. Muhammad Saad, are you disconnected?
Yes, sir. I was disconnected, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we did till question 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will do some questions from here. Then we will, after some time,
Proceed to the lab.
after 20 minutes or 25 minutes, then we'll continue with the practical part. Okay. Today's
Yes,
practical
sir.
is a small one. That's why we will continue the worksheet first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this one, question 11, could you please read?
The temperature of a 50-gram mass of metal is raised by 40 degrees Celsius. The specific heat capacity of the metal is 0.40 joules per gram degree Celsius. How much thermal energy is supplied?
Yes. So you are asked to find the thermal energy, right?
Yes, sir.
That means you are asked to find Q, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are given a specific heat capacity C, small c. You are given the
Yes, sir.
mass 50 gram. Also, you are
Yes,
given
sir.
del
I
theta.
just need a
Yeah, del
calculator.
theta, you are given 40 degrees
40 degrees
Celsius.
Celsius.
Okay, so you got all the necessary things to get Q, right? So what is the formula? First, you
Sir,
write
Q,
the,
sir,
yeah,
Q equals
tell me the
MC del
formula.
theta. Sir, Q equals MC del theta.
Okay, very good. Q equals,
MC del
we can directly write it, right?
theta. Yes,
Q
sir.
equals M C del theta. So
Yes,
the
sir.
the question we did previous time, that one we converted the mass, right?
Yes, sir.
Converted the mass from gram to kg. But this one, do you need to convert?
Yes, sir. We need to convert, sir.
No, we here take heat capacity. The specific heat capacity is given in joule per gram per degree Celsius, right?
Oh,
If it is given in joule per kg per degree Celsius, then you had to convert. This one, it's given in joule per gram per degree Celsius. That's why you do not need to convert. Do you get it?
yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
50 will be written here directly. Okay. to calculate.
Yes, sir.
Then another
Sir, I
thing,
think the possible answer is D, sir.
in our last question also we got another thing, that we got here temperature.
Yes, sir.
Um, we had from 10 to 35, right?
Yes, sir.
So we had the difference from 35
Yeah.
minus 10, but here they say directly raised.
Raised by, yeah,
Yeah,
raised by
raised
40
by
degrees
40
Celsius.
degrees Celsius. So del theta is given directly.
Yes,
We
sir.
do not need to subtract. So while you are reading questions, you should focus here. Okay, how the question is given and what are the information given, how the information are given. That will help you to do the numericals correctly. Right now,
Yes,
your
sir.
answer is coming. How much MC del theta?
Sir, MC Delta, sir, 800 joules, sir.
800 joules. So here 11. The answer is D.
Yes, sir. D, sir.
Okay, good, good. Your answer is D, right? Now, 11 is done, right?
Yes, sir.
800 joules. We are writing here. 800 joules is correct answer. Then we are going to next question. 12. Continue 12.
Yes, sir. A dish of liquid is left on a laboratory bench. Some of the liquid evaporates. What happens and why? The liquid cools because liquid molecules have more potential
You
energy
just
than gas
tell us the
molecules.
correct answer. Correct
Oh,
answer. Don't read
correct
everything.
answer. Okay, sir.
Just correct
Okay,
answer.
sir. Sir, the liquid cools because faster moving molecules escape.
Yes, correct. Your answer is correct. So it's coming from the
But sir,
idea.
I have a confusion, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, the liquid cools because the liquid molecules have more potential energy than gas molecules. Sir, can you just explain me this line, sir?
Okay, so here we have actually uh, potential energy will remain same. Okay, but the kinetic energy will change. You
Yes, sir.
know, we have
There,
the
yeah.
internal energy is the sum of
Yes, sir.
potential energy and
And kinetic energy.
kinetic energy. So here,
And there, the potential energy will be
yeah,
constant, and the kinetic energy will change.
yeah. This is one idea. Another idea is, uh, another thing is that there might be another idea like potential energy will be less. Like liquid, they have more stronger bonding, right?
Yes, sir. Then gas.
So then the gas. So if you compare with only liquid state and gas state, so liquid state usually they have more potential energy because they have more binding energy, right? But in gas molecules,
Yes,
they
sir.
have less binding energy. They are staying far apart, so they have less potential energy. So the statement in two ways is wrong. Okay,
In which two ways, sir?
the first one I told that the kinetic energy increases as the
Yeah,
gas
but
molecules,
the
gas
second statement
molecules.
is okay, sir, right?
Yeah. So both can be used, right? Both the ideas can be used. Is it clear?
Sir, but how the second? But the second one is okay, right? The second one,
It is
the
also
liquid.
okay. It is
That
also okay. The second one is also okay. We are using both the ideas. One is kinetic
yes,
energy,
sir.
another one is potential energy. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Okay, now we can go to question number 13.
Yes, sir.
Then continue.
What is mean by heat capacity of a solid object?
Yeah, solid object. So heat capacity and specific heat
Sir,
capacity, you know, right? The difference.
sir.
That one you focus.
Sir, the thermal energy required to cause a unit temperature rise.
Okay, it is correct. Then
So C.
yes, C is correct answer. You are right. Then 14.
Yes, sir. 14, sir. Which statement explains how a pressure is exerted by a gas on a container?
Yeah, normally in a gas container, how the pressure is coming.
Yes, sir.
Which idea you will use?
Yes, sir. Just a second, sir. Sir, gas molecules collide with the walls of the container.
Correct. We got this idea right in your when we discuss the
Yes, sir.
learning outcomes from your book. We got this idea
Yes,
that
sir.
while you are keeping any gas in a container, then molecules of the gas, they apply force per unit area by colliding, right, with the walls. That one
Yes,
is
sir.
pressure. So 14, the answer is B. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Shafqat
14
joined.
is B.
Shafqat,
Yes, sir. Assalamualaikum.
alaykum salam. Thank you for joining. And now
Welcome,
we
sir.
are
Sorry for being
continuing. Now we are continuing with the theory part first. Then at the last, uh, we have till class 320, right?
yes, sir.
So last 10 to 15 minutes we will discuss the practical. Before that we are continuing the worksheet. Actually we wanted you to join in the last class also, and I expected you all to join in the class.
Sir, last
That's
class I was giving biology exam.
okay, fine. You gave biology exam. I don't know why you are giving in physics class biology exam. You don't have any biology
Sir,
class?
Hamdani sir made mistake. He also took class when you have taken.
Okay, so you be careful about this one, huh? Next time, so that you check with the coordinator, huh? Then you join which class is going on. That one you join, huh? He can arrange it in another day. But today our class is missed. You miss lots of explanation, right? We did from question 3 to question 10 in the first lesson. Now again we are continuing this. So if you are present, you might have some questions you could ask me and I could explain those. Okay, fine. Now you continue, huh, Shafkat? Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Shafkat, you read.
Question number 15.
Yeah, question
When a
number
liquid evaporates, molecules escape from its surface. Which molecules escape and what happens to the average kinetic energy of the molecules remaining in the liquid?
you
The
just
less
you just tell me the correct answer. Don't read all the options.
okay,
You read
sir, let me
silently
see.
and tell me the correct options.
Sir D sir, I think.
Sir, I think, sir, C, sir. Sir, mute হয়ে গেছে।
Acha, average kinetic energy.
Okay, look,
সবগুলার কিন্তু স্যার
look, yeah, I think, Shafkat, I think you have the knowledge, but you uh, did not,
স্যার the answer is C I
yeah,
think.
look, Shafkat, you did not uh, careful. You are not careful about this part. They asked what happens to the average kinetic energy of the molecules remaining in the liquid.
Oh, okay. মানে presently liquid. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you thought that the one which one is escaping, that one's
That
condition,
one.
right?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
so that's why you did the mistake. That's why I suggest you all to read the question carefully. Okay. So then our answer is C, right? Now you can understand it easily, right? Now you are convinced. Is it?
Yes sir. Yeah,
Shafqat?
yes sir.
Shafqat,
Yes, sir.
can you go 16?
Yes, sir. A boiling liquid absorbs thermal energy at a rate of 450 watt. The specific latent heat of vaporization is 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 6 joule per kg. How much liquid is vaporized in 9 minutes? Oh,
Okay.
I think.
So how much means you are asked to find the mass, right?
Yes, sir.
So
I forgot.
you are given the power, you are given the time, and you are given the specific latent heat. You are asked to find mass. So from power and time, you can get the energy, right?
Yes,
Energy required for this process, that one you can find from E equals P into T. That is your Q. So
yes,
we can write this one this way first. Uh, E equals P. Can you please write on your copy also, Shafkat?
yes, sir.
Yeah, please write. This one is very important to write. All of you write. P into T, right? And here in P, they did not give the unit in SI. Our power is given in SI, but the time is given in minutes, right? So what you have to
Yes
do,
sir.
you have to convert it to
In
seconds.
seconds.
Yeah, then 450 times 9 times 60, right? 9 times 60, how much?
Yes
540.
sir, just a second sir. Yes sir, 540 sir.
540. Then if you multiply 450 and 540, then you are getting the energy. How much it is?
Sir, 243,000.
2, 4,
4 3
3, triple
000.
0. And this unit is joules. It is energy, right? Joules.
Yes sir.
So this one is also Q, right? The heat energy required.
Yes sir.
So we will write here Q. This one is Q. Okay, so this is your first part to do. Other part is easy. You know the formula of specific latent heat, right? What
Yes
is the
sir.
formula?
Sir, C equals to Q by M delta theta.
No, this is specific heat capacity, the one you told. But latent heat
Oh,
is
sorry, sir. Latent heat is a bit different one.
LF.
Oh, LF, yes, sir.
So this one is saying LV, right? Because it is vaporization. So we will write here LV. Same way, but only the symbol is different.
Q by M. Q by M.
Yes, correct. You are correct. So we will write here LV as it is latent heat of vaporization. We write LV equals Q by
Q by M.
M. They ask to find M, right?
Yes, sir. So it
So
will be
how?
M equal to Q by LV.
Very good. So we will write here M equals Q by LV. Q by Q by
Did you convert minute into second? 90 minutes?
yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, because the power is given in watt and the time is given in minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why you have to convert them to SI unit. So Q by
Okay.
LV. Now Q is 240,000, 43,000, right? 243,000 is your Q, right?
Yes, sir.
For all of you, you got this 450 multiplied by 540 is coming 243,000.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you find now the mass, how much is coming. Your LV is given 2.7 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. That means after 27 you are getting 5 zeros. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's coming.
How much it comes? Check.
LV to বেশি বড়।
হ্যাঁ স্যার এলবিটা মনে হয় একটু বেশি বড় স্যার।
LV is big.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem. The answer will come in kg, right? Then you multiply 1000 because the answer is given in gram.
Oh yeah, into 1000. Yes,
You
sir.
tell me
So the
how much
possible
is.
answer is,
Yeah, you
so the
tell me
C,
how
sir,
much is
90
the
grams,
answer
sir.
coming here. Q by LV, how much it comes? You tell me.
Sir, C.
Sir, 0.09, sir.
Okay, you write that one 0.09 kg.
Sir,
You
C,
write
sir.
that one in your copy. You write that 0.09 kg.
Yes, sir.
Then you will not have any confusion, right? It's still kg,
Yeah.
right? Now the answer is not given in kg. They gave the answer in gram. You multiply with
Gram.
1000. So do you like this type of questions or you like easy questions only?
Sir, this type of questions, sir.
Both, sir, both.
Both. You see previously we got some easy questions. Now in between some easy questions, this type of tasty things should be also there, right? Some
Sir,
chili
this is
questions.
also not that much difficult.
Huh?
This is also not that much difficult.
Which one? Which one is not easy?
No, I'm telling, sir, this one is also not that difficult.
Okay, this one is not difficult, but I think there are some steps. That one, most of the students they don't have patience. In our country,
Yes,
what is the main problem? You know, we always want shortcut,
yes, sir.
right? We always want to go to the top of the tree by one jump. That's the problem, and they don't want to do these steps, right? They
Sir,
just
power.
want to get the answer directly. When they will see it's only coming 0.09, their brain will be hot. How come it? They will not check their answer is matching or not. Is it clear?
Yes,
That's
sir.
the main problem. These two steps. You see, one step is E equals P into T, and you see another one is that you have to convert the time into seconds, right? That one you also got confused at the beginning, right, Shafqat?
Yes, sir.
So you see, this question is not that difficult, but it is a little bit difficult, right? There are some steps to think and do working. So we will stop here our discussion today. Huh? In our next class, we will continue from 17, the theory part. And now we are continuing the practical part. Okay? This 12 minutes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aisha. Aisha is with us, right? Aisha? Hello, Aisha.
Sir, hello.
Aisha, thank you for joining with us. And now we are shifting to practical, okay?
Sir, sir, what was the answer of sir 15, sir?
Till you told the answer, right?
Sir, C,
You
I think,
told
right, sir?
C, yeah. You told C, that's why I also told C. Shafkat also convinced the answer is C.
Sir, I forgot to write 15. That's why.
Okay. Now it is our question for our practical. This is our experiment. It is a small experiment. Hope by this time we can finish it. Okay. Now I want Aisha. Aisha is not responding yet. She is okay with the microphone, but she is not talking. Aisha, hello Aisha. Oh, Aisha is not responding. Okay, fine. Now Saad, you continue this question one. Muhammad Saad.
Question 1. A student finds the mass of a table tennis ball using a top pen balance as shown in figure 1.1. The top pen balance reads the nearest gram. A. The mass of the ball is about 2.5 gram. Suggest a reason why placing the ball on the top of the pen does not give an accurate value for the mass of the ball.
Okay, so what is the reason?
Sir, 0 euro.
Hmm?
0 euro.
Any other idea? Shafkat?
Yes.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. Which one, sir?
This one, question one.
A student
Question
finds a
one
mass.
A.
Sir, I think, sir, because okay. Suggest a reason why placing the ball on the.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, if you place the ball on the top of a pen, sir, the ball might roll.
yes, it is the answer. It will not
Yeah.
stay. It will not stay in a place. It will roll down, and the top and balance cannot take the reading properly. Okay, it will move or it will fall down. So it is the correct answer. Its position will fluctuate, right? Uh,
Yes, sir.
so you write your answer 1A. The answer what you said you write down.
The ball's position
Will
change.
will
Or
change or fluctuate
sir, what is
because
the spelling of fluctuate, sir?
yeah, fluctuate means changing randomly.
Oh, okay, sir. Sir,
Yeah, writing is done. 1A writing is done.
sir, can you tell me the spelling of fluctuate?
FLUC
FLUC
TUATE.
TUATE. Yes, sir. The ball's position will fluctuate. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you are welcome. Then continue B.
So the student uses 10 identical balls and a glass beaker to hold them, as shown in figure 1.2. Explain in detail how the student can obtain a more accurate value of the mass of one ball.
Okay, so
I
how
think
will
this one we have to average, or we have to uh,
Okay,
you see
take
there
the
are
math.
3 marks.
no, no,
You
not like that.
you have to give 3 points over here. Okay, there are 3 marks.
Yes, sir. Sir, first he have to measure. He need to measure the weight of the beaker. He is first. He will play. He needs to place the beaker first on the top balance and
You mean
mark it as
empty
0.
beaker, right?
Yes,
You
sir. Empty
mean,
beaker. Sir,
yeah,
sorry,
so you mention it, huh? Specifically, that is empty beaker. Okay, then.
first he needs to place the empty beaker on the uh, balance and position and make the balance on 0 reading, and then place 10 balls inside it
Mhm.
and obtain that new reading,
M2.
M2.
Hmm.
Then he need to divide the
Divide or
M2
subtract?
by,
Subtract.
sir,
First, he will subtract M2
or
minus
sir,
M1.
sir, if sir, if he can just make the calculator balance reading 0, then he don't need to subtract, like
Yeah,
after
he
placing the
can do
beaker.
it. He can do it, but we are scientifically getting the measurements, right? That
Oh, okay, sir.
empty beaker is giving us M1. With the 10 balls, we are getting M2. Then M2 minus M1, you are getting the mass of 10 balls. Then
Yes, sir.
with this point, you will add the Shapka's one, Shapka tool. The
Yes, sir.
the mass you are getting for 10 balls, you divided by 10,
10.
which will give you
Yes,
the
sir.
mass of a single ball. Is it
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this way you can write. Could you please finish writing these steps?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you give us some time, sir?
Yes, I'm giving you 3 minutes. Right. Write all these 3 points. Shafkat also write. You are not giving the homework. If you are writing that one, you submit. Okay. You write today's date. Then it is the paper from 2017. Paper for variant 1, question 1. You write there. You finish writing. Then you send after scanning. Right, you can send, right? The way Saad is sending every night. When there is a practical, that day only Saad is sending, right, Saad?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Aisha, hello, Aisha. Aisha, are you listening to us?
Yes, sir.
So before that, I asked you to be,
Sir, actually, my mic was kind of disturbing, so I wasn't able to.
so
Like,
today,
something was
today,
wrong.
yeah. So today we did this theory part first, right? Then we did the practical one also, right? Hello.
Mm. Yes, sir.
This practical we did later. So you are getting the discussion of this theory part also, right?
Yes.
Uh, we we discussed till how much? Question 18,
80.
18 or 16? 16 till 16 we discussed. From next class we will discuss from 17. So are you taking all the notes for
Yes, sir.
practical and theory? Yeah,
Yes,
practical
sir.
part you send me today, huh?
Okay, sir.
The way you sent before also. So our class time, we have 3 minutes left. You have any queries, you can ask me about the class test.
No, sir,
For
I don't
today's
have any.
discussion, do you have any queries you can ask me?
No, sir, I don't have any.
Sir,
Yes, yes, please.
hello. Sir, we need to subtract M2 from M1, right?
No, no. M1 will be subtracted from M2. M2 minus M1 because M1 is
No, sir,
small.
I'm writing. Yes, sir.
M-
I'm just writing it, sir. Then he needs to subtract M2 from M1,
no, no.
or like M1
M1
from M2.
from M1 from M2. Yeah, because
Yeah,
M1
sir.
is small.
My yes, sir.
Sir, finish.
Finished. Okay. Do you have any questions? Anything to say? Anyone
Sir, about this question.
about this or today's class or your test? Anything you have to say? I
So
mean,
test
you have
I have
anything
to,
to say to me? You have any queries to me?
sir, in exam, sir, you will give MCQ and structure only, right, sir?
Yes, yes. MCQ and structure.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
nice day. We have
Bye, sir.
class tomorrow.
Bye, bye, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.
Walaikum salam.